Hey guys, this is Quart from Heartland Building Center coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's M12 Caulking Gun. Probably not super familiar with this. This isn't really a popular thing for us. I don't know if you've seen it in our store, but really nifty, really cool thing that Milwaukee's came out with. This will do your standard 10-ounce caulking tubes, and also it has an attachment to where you can do 20-ounce sausage packets too, if that's what you guys have or use day in, day out. Couple things to go over on this gun. Has a variable speed trigger, so you can be laying a bead exactly how you need to. It also has a dial from 1 to 6 on the flow rate. So if you're needing to push something out really fast and you're wanting to run a quick bead, you can dial that in to however you need. It's got 400 pounds of force on the crank arm, so even on the thickest caulk or liquid nail or whatever you're doing, it'll push out anything through a tube. So when I put in a battery, it has a lockout feature on it. And so if I actually push this, I can pull this in and out like a normal caulking gun, but once I press this button in, it's actually ready to be activated and I can't move this anymore. And so I'll just show you here. I'll pull it out and we'll just put in a tube of caulk here, push it forward as much as it can, and I'll actually press this to the other side, and now it's ready to use. And so we'll actually turn it all the way up to 6 so you can see what a good flow rate that it pushes out. And then all you do is just press the trigger. And just like that, it'll lay pretty much anything that you need. And the cool thing too about this is that once you stop pushing the trigger, it actually backs itself out. And so that way it's not pushing out too much caulking once you're done pulling the trigger. So that's a really nice feature for Milwaukee as well. As always, we do have this in stock at our Hayes Russell and Stockton stores. So if you guys have any questions or want to stop by and see it, we got it. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Hit the notification bell. It just alerts you whenever we post new videos. Also, comment on Facebook or YouTube which tool you want to see me do next, and be entered into a giveaway where you get a free Milwaukee 5.0 M18 battery, and also your choice of any color of the hats that we have. We love to hear your guys' comments. We love to see your guys' interactions on our videos, so make sure to subscribe and follow, and we'll see you next time.